Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be revealing my minimalist white lily wedding collection. This collection is perfect for your summer weddings at the beach or in the tropics or whichever you choose. This invitation collection includes your invitation, enclosure card, RSVP card, belly band, envelope liner, round stickers, address labels, programs, table numbers, favor tags, and although it's not shown in this video, we also have a wedding menu card that's available. Let's start by editing the invitation, although the instructions for the invitation will also work for all of the other items in this collection. After clicking on the invitation, it'll bring you to the product page, where you can simply edit the invitation by clicking this big blue Personalize This Design button. That'll bring up all of the available text that you can edit. To edit the text, erase the pre-filled text and enter in your information. Once you're finished editing your information, you can either select Done to go back to the product page, or if you want to customize it further, click on the Edit Using Design Tool button. This will bring you to the designer page. To begin editing, you can select any of the pre-filled or any of the text. Then move over to the right-hand side of your screen where you can change the font type, the colors, the size. Click on the color box to change the color. Select from any of the pre-filled colors, or you can select the eyedropper tool or custom color picker. I'm just going to select one of these pre-filled colors. I'm going to do a dark teal for both of the names. Then I want to change the color of the script font, the wedding of. Click on that, which that text cannot be edited, but you can change the color by clicking on the color box. And then I'm going to use a green-blue color. We're kind of making this look like the ocean because it is the tropics and we want it to be fun. Now to change the color of the background, move over to the left-hand side of your screen and click BK Ground. Here, again, you can select from any of the pre-filled colors or click on the plus sign and move over to a color that you want. To change the back of the invitation to match the front, click on the Layers button up at the top underneath the Undo button. Then move down to the word Back and select that. Then change that background button again. And then now what you'll want to do is select the first color in your recently used colors. That'll match the back to the front. Once you're finished making all of your personalizations, click the gray Done button at the top right-hand side of your screen. A pop-up will appear saying, "Would you like to save your design?" At this point, you can either sign in to your Zazzle account or select Maybe Later. You're now back onto the product page where you can view your invitation as you've made it and make sure that all of your text is written correctly, there's no spelling errors, and all the details are correct. Once you've done that, go over to the quantity, select the down arrow to select how many invitations you'll need. Then click on the yellow Add to Cart button. Another pop-up will appear showing that you've just added your item to your cart. To go ahead and add additional items like your RSVP card or others, click the Close button, then scroll down your screen until you see our wedding suite. From here, you can select any of the items that you need by just clicking on them. Then you can go forth and finish personalizing the next item just like you did with your invitation. I hope that this tutorial helped with editing your invitation suite with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you right away. And if you wouldn't mind taking just 1 second of your time to liking this video or subscribing to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.